In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify, how to delete draft orders. Draft orders are great for building custom carts, sending invoices, or saving a work-in-progress sale. But over time, they can pile up and make your orders area cluttered. I'll walk you through the full flow, opening your Shopify admin, creating a quick sample draft so we have something to remove, and then safely deleting it. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. On the left sidebar, open Orders. At the top of this page, there's a tab for drafts. Go ahead and switch to that. If your list is empty, let's create a quick example so the deletion process is clear. Select Create Draft Order. In the Draft Builder, choose Browse to open your product picker. From here, pick any product you'd like to use for the demo, then click Add. You'll see it appear in the draft order summary. When it looks good, click Save to store this draft. Saving makes sure it shows up in your drafts list and can be managed like any other record. Now return to the Drafts tab to see the saved draft. To remove it, first select the draft by checking the box next to its name. You can choose a single draft or select multiple if you're cleaning up in bulk. When at least one draft is selected, Shopify shows action options for bulk management. Look for the Delete Draft Orders option and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Click Delete to confirm. That's it. The selected draft orders are now removed. This is helpful for keeping your workspace tidy and ensuring only active, relevant drafts remain in your list. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Deleting a draft is permanent, so double-check that it isn't tied to a pending invoice you mean to send. If you don't see the delete option, make sure at least one draft is selected. The action won't appear otherwise. If you're managing a lot of drafts, consider sorting or filtering first to isolate the ones you no longer need. And if you're just testing a workflow, creating and deleting a sample draft like we did today is a safe way to practice without affecting live orders. You've just learned how to navigate to orders, open the drafts view, create a quick sample draft, and delete draft orders confidently. Keep this routine handy for regular housekeeping so your Shopify admin